When it comes to the law, there are lots of situations and terms that the common person wouldn't understand. That is, of course, why we leave it up to the experts. Scott Smith of Smith Law Office is back with me today as he lays out how a change in Ohio is impacting countless victims. Thanks for being here, Scott.
Thanks for having me.
All right, today we're talking about tort reform. I had to look it up, so I want you to just explain to us what this is.
Okay. Tort means civil wrong. So if someone causes something where another person, for instance, in a car collision, that doesn't necessarily have a component of a traffic citation, it's a civil wrong. You've hurt somebody, you are what's called negligent. Tort reform is trying to change those laws so the people that are hurt don't get the recovery they are entitled to.
So there is a cap on the amount of money that they can get for being wronged, right? You're saying the victims cannot recoup anything above this certain amount of money.
The tort reform has a lot of facets. One of those is putting caps on what you recover.
Okay.
Tort reform really, Robin, is corporate welfare. That's what most people would understand. They understand welfare, they understand corporations. Corporations with so much power go to the lawmakers, persuade them to change the laws and put caps on what you can recover for non-economic losses.
Now, why was that created?
Well, who runs this country? The one percenters? The people with the most money? Yeah, kind of they do.
Yeah.
Corporations have the most money. Insurance companies have the most money. They support people who will go make laws that support their bottom line. You want to follow who's making this? Follow the money.
Okay, and Scott, this was created about a decade ago, this whole tort reform thing. So there have been a lot of situations since then, but we're going to talk about one specifically that just happened in December. It was the Simpkins versus Grace Brethren court case from the Ohio Supreme Court. Explain kind of the situation surrounding this.
In a summary, young lady goes to her minister because she's having problems. He brings her into his room and he rapes her repeatedly. She files a lawsuit through her parents. They go to a jury trial. They get over $3 million in a verdict for all of this bad happening that the church allowed and this minister did. This rapist was protected because once the verdict came out, it was reduced by caps. The caps of this tort reform of the corporate welfare said, even though you got $3 million, it's going to be reduced dramatically because we put caps on how much this little girl could recover.
And the basis of that, as I recall kind of reading into it, was that the church hired him knowing that he had some issues in the past, right? So that was kind of what was coming into discussion, I should say, is the church responsible? The jury says yes. The tort reform says this is how much you're getting.
Well, the jury says yes, and they were right in saying yes because the church didn't do their due diligence in hiring someone who may have had a questionable past. They have to do a better job.
Right.
They hired him anyway. Well, problems followed when you hire bad people, and that's what happened in this situation, but it got way out of hand. It got beyond out of hand. It's outrageous, and this little girl suffered and will suffer for the rest of her life, but Ohio law and our Supreme Court endorsed the fact she can only get so much. She's never going to be made whole. It's sad.
Yeah, and I mean, it's obviously just a tragic situation all around, but when they do sue, you're saying, I mean, the whole point of that is to try and recoup some of what she went through, right? And so this is really just hurting the victim?
That's the only person it's hurting. It's almost allowing the rapist to be protected. How in the world that would ever be permitted by our lawmakers and then endorsed by our Supreme Court is beyond me. When you get hurt by someone else who has been negligent or reckless, you should be made whole, Robin. Be put back in the position you were in before. That's all. That's what a jury does. Well, the lawmakers of Ohio said no. Even though the jury said something, we're going to reduce it because insurance companies don't want to pay as much.
Right.
They don't want to pay.
And so what is your hope going forward or your advice for somebody out there who's in a situation like this trying to recoup some losses?
Well, in a situation like this, we have to band together as consumers. We have to let our lawmakers know we don't tolerate this. We do not accept this. This is not fair. Change the law. Talk to your House of Representatives member. Talk to your senators. Tell them, I don't agree with this. Go change the law.
Okay, it sounds like a lot, but we all got to do a little to help,
That's right.
All right, Scott from Scott Smith Law Office, thank you as always.
Thank you, Robin.